this video, I will be discussing about measures of central tendency of ungrouped data. These are the objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to illustrate the measures of central tendency, the mean, median, and mood of ungrouped data, and calculate the measures of central tendency of the ungrouped data. Now, let us first discuss about the mean. What is mean? According to its definition, the mean, also known as the arithmetic mean or the average, is the most commonly used measure of central position. It is the sum of measures that is denoted as variable x divided by the number that is denoted as variable n of measures in a variable. To compute for the mean, we are going to use the formula. This symbol is read as x bar. This symbol is read as the summation of x. And this symbol is read as the number of values in the data set. Now let us take this example. In a survey of 10 households, the number of children was found to be 4554362 Calculate the mean number of children per household. Solution. Using the formula x bar is equal to summation of x divided by the number of values. What are we going to do is substitute the given data set in the formula. So the values of the data set are 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 6, 2, 6, 4, 1. Then divided by 10. The symbol summation means adding. That's why the values are being added. Then take note that the divisor, which is 10, is not constant or permanent. It depends on how many values in the given data. Then after summing up, the result is 40. Then divided by 10. Get a quotient that is equal to 4. So the mean number of children per household is 4. Now let us proceed with median. What is median? According to its definition, the median is the middle value in a set of data. Take note, middle value. It is denoted in this symbol and read as X-tilde. To find for the median, you need to remember this. Arrange the scores or the values either in ascending or descending order and then find the middle score. When we say ascending order, it means the values are arranged from lowest to highest. And when we say descending order, it means that the values are arranged from highest to lowest. Now let us take this example. Find the median of the following set of numbers. As you can see, the values are arranged in any order. So the first thing is to arrange the values either ascending or descending order. In this example, we are going to arrange from less to greatest or ascending order. So we have 1, 8, 8, 12, 14, 16, 24, 30, 30, 31, 40, 42, and 45. The number of values that we have is 13. Take note that in finding the median, there are two possible situations you might encounter. First is this. The number of values indeed in odd number. In this situation, we can directly find the median by just knowing the middle score after arranging the values. In this example, the median is 24 because this value is in the middle. Let us take another example. The following are the ages of students in a vocational class. You have 32, 43, 39, 28, 42, and 31. Find the median age of the student. Solution: arrange the values from least to greatest. So we have 28, 31, 32, 39, 42, and 43. In this example, the number of values is 6. This is another situation that you might encounter. In this situation, there are two middle scores, and those are 32 and 39. What are we going to do is to calculate the average of these two values using the equation x tilde is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2. Then, these two variables represent two middle values divided by 2. Why 2? Because there are only two values involved. Substituting those two values to the equation, we have x tilde is equal to 32 plus 39 divided by 2. Then, get the sum of 32 and 39, that is equal to 71, then divided by 2. And get the quotient, that is equal to 35.5. So the median age of the student is 35.5. Lastly is mood. What is mood? According to its definition, the mood is the measure of value which occurs most frequently in a set of data. It is the value with the greatest frequency, meaning this particular value has the most number of repetition. It is denoted in this symbol and read as X hat. To find for the mood rather, we need to remember these three. Number 1, select the measure that appears most often in the set. Number 2, if two or more measures appear the same number of times, then each of these values is a mood. And number 3, if every measure appears the same number of times, then the set of data has no mood. Now let us take this example. Letter A. What are we going to do is look for the value that appears most of the time. In this example, we have 5. Let us count how many repetitions does it have. 1, 2, 3. This value appears most of the time. Therefore, the mood in this example is 5. Next, letter B. In this example, the value that appears most of the time, we have 18 and 20. These two values have the same number of repetition. Therefore, there are two moods, 18 and 20. Next, letter C. In this example, every number appears the same number of times. In this case, the set has no mood. Alright guys, we are done with the tutorial and hope that this would help you in learning about the lesson. Keep practicing, guys, because practice makes perfect. This is Sir Ponting at your service. Goodbye.